Hello students, I'm Kamaljeet Kaur. I would like to tell you the importance of this day, that is 15th October. 15th October is celebrated each year as World Students Day, World White Cane Day and Global Hand Washing Day. Talking about the World Students Day, it is celebrated on 15th October, which is the birth anniversary of the Missile Man of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam. World Student Day was first celebrated in 2010 in United Nations on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday when he was 79 years old. This day honors and pays respect to him and his efforts in the field of science and technology, and also the role of the teacher that he played throughout his scientific and political careers. The theme of the World Students' Day 2020 is Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. Being a politician and a scientist, he always identified himself as a teacher. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's role in teaching and his dedication cannot be explained in words. In 2006, in the President's address at the presentation of National Award to Teachers, he said that teachers have to realize that they are the builders of the society. Good society can be built when students have knowledge and are proficient in their subjects. They have also to provide a vision for life to the students and to inculcate the fundamentals of values which should be practiced in the years to come. On 27 July 2015, he suffered a cardiac arrest while delivering a lecture to the students of IIM Shillong. This showed his dedication towards teaching. Now, talking about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was born on 15th October 1931 at Dhanushkodi, Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. In 2002, he was elected as the President of India, and before becoming President, he has worked as the Project Director of India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 at ISRO. He has also worked as an aerospace engineer in Indian Space Research Organization and Defense Research and Development Organization. He played a crucial role in the Pokhran 2 nuclear tests in 1998, and so he earned the title Missile Man of India. The awards received by him were Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, Veer Savarkar Award, Ramanuja Award, and many more. Various educational and scientific institutions named in the honor of Dr. Abdul Kalam still are Uttar Pradesh Technical University, which was renamed as APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. Then Kerala Technological University was renamed to APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, and there are still many more. The books written by him are Wings of Fire, an autobiography, Ignited Minds, Unleading the Power Within India, then India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium. So now we have come to know that World Students Day is celebrated annually on 15th October on the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a simple personality that always should be remembered. Students are the most powerful people of the society because they hold the power to not only change the world but also change themselves. A student is a reflection of a teacher's skills. Happy World Students Day to all. Students deserve more love, respect, and appreciation than they usually get, so today is a day to bless them and wish them all the best. So, in the last, I would like to say Happy World Students Day 2020. It is important to be a good student, but it is priceless and way more important to be a good human being. Now, talking about the World White Cane Day. The mission of White Cane Day is to educate the world about blindness and how the blind and the visually impaired can live and work independently while giving back to their communities, to celebrate the abilities and successes achieved by blind people in a sighted world, and to honor the many contributions being made by the blind and visually impaired. According to the World Blind Union, which is a global organization and is representing the 285 million blind or partially sighted people worldwide, White Cane Day is observed worldwide to recognize the movement of blind people from dependency to full participation in society. White Cane Safety Day reminds the world of the importance of the white cane as a tool for independent living for persons who are blind and partially sighted. Now, talking about the Global Hand Washing Day. Theme of this day is Let's Give Everyone a Clean Hand. October 15 is Global Hand Washing Day, a global advocacy day dedicated to increasing awareness and understanding about the importance of hand washing with soap as an effective and affordable way to prevent diseases and save lives. It is an international hand washing promotion campaign to motivate and mobilize people around the world to improve their hand washing habits. Washing hands at critical points during the day and washing with soap are both important. The global campaign is dedicated to raising awareness of hand washing with soap as a key factor in disease prevention. Respiratory and intestinal diseases can be reduced by 25 to 50%. In 2019, the theme for annual Global Hand Washing Day was Clean Hands for All. In 2018, it was Clean Hands, a Recipe for Health. 2017 gave the theme Our Hands, Our Future. 2016, Make Hand Washing a Habit. 2015, Raise a Hand for Hygiene. 2014, Clean Hands Save Lives. In 2014, Global Hand Washing Day was used as an opportunity to fight Ebola. And in 2013, the power is in your hands. Certain things about hand washing I would like to tell you. 20% to 50% isn't adequate. Wash your hand 100%. Hand washing with soap is very effective and the least expensive way to prevent diarrhea and acute respiratory infections. It is important to make hand washing into a habit. The Global Hand Washing Day helps raise awareness of the importance of washing with soap, but it also makes it fun for children to get involved. So, let us avoid all diseases by thoroughly washing our hands. Only a proper hand washing can kill all unwanted bacteria. Wash your hands as and when you can. You will always stay protected from diseases. Thank you, students.